Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian and welcome to our market opening trade with the DAX. Today it's the 11th of June, Monday, and we are looking here at the price of the DAX, currently trading at 12,816 points. So we are preparing ourselves by placing our two pending orders. So first we can see that we do have an opening range of the first hour of trading of slightly less than 100 points. Here is my broker ThinkMarket, and hence you see this brownish box. Also, we do have a blue box running from Friday evening till this morning. So we have two boxes within each other, and yeah, so kind of a coincidence. Let me place my box lines, currently 855, and I'm going to select this range here. And our size or the risk for the first position is always 0.2%, calculated on the account balance, the target 0.1%. And I'm going to activate my lines just now. So the green one is a buy pending order, the red one is a sell pending order, and once the price has crossed either line, you'll see the blue take profit line here in the chart. That may happen within approximately 4 minutes when it's 9 a.m. and the stock market in Frankfurt in Germany is going to open, and that's exactly the impulse we would like to trade. So every day at 9 a.m. So 2 minutes before 9 and we are in our first trade. We are short in the market and our take profit is now at a price level of 12,802 points. Still 90 seconds to go for the market impulse. So 9 a.m. Market has just opened. DAX trading at 12,808 points. 807.6 now. So again, we had a massive range this morning. We opened with a small gap, and we are out of the market. Yeah, still we opened with a gap, and then we covered 100 points this morning within the first half hour of trading. That's a very massive move. Either way, we are out of the market. Let me draw in the trade for you one more time. So entry, exit, slightly below our big number, 12,800. And yeah, that's it for another successful market opening trade. If you do like this kind of trading, if you'd like to know more about our trading tools here from TradersClub24, please get in contact, stay tuned for another videos, or just contact us, write us an email, whatever. You have a great day and see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.